Dear wine enthusiasts and connoisseurs, gather round as we embark on a wonderful journey through time to uncover the captivating origins of the humble yet inventive wine rack. Picture this. It's a warm, starry evening in ancient Mesopotamia, and you've just stepped into the bustling marketplace. The air is filled with the aroma of spices, and merchants peddle their wares. But what truly catches your eye is a simple yet remarkable invention: the very first wine rack. Our tale begins in the cradle of civilization, around 3000 BCE, in the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Wine was a precious elixir, both a symbol of social status and an integral part of religious rituals. The people of Mesopotamia, clever as they were, faced a peculiar challenge: how to store their prized liquid gold securely. Enter the first wine enthusiasts of history, who ingeniously crafted the first ever wine racks. These early wine racks weren't the fancy, ornate pieces of art we see today, but they served their purpose remarkably well. Made from clay, these wine racks featured simple horizontal shelves that cradled the amphorae, a type of pottery container used to store wine. The wine rack was a game changer in the ancient world for several reasons. First, it allowed wine enthusiasts to neatly organize and display their valuable bottles, much like we do today. Second, it provided a practical solution for the challenges of wine storage. You see, wine, especially in those ancient days, was a fickle beverage. It needed proper aging, a stable temperature, and protection from sunlight. Wine racks offered a solution by keeping the bottles on their sides, ensuring that the precious liquid remained in constant contact with the cork, preventing it from drying out and letting in harmful air. Fast forward to ancient Rome, and we see the wine rack evolving into a status symbol of the elite. The Romans, known for their love of wine, took wine storage to a whole new level. Lavish villas and estates featured elaborate wine cellars, adorned with beautifully crafted wooden wine racks that displayed their vast collection of wines. These racks not only served a practical purpose, but also showcased the opulence and refinement of the owner. As the centuries rolled on, the wine rack continued to adapt and transform. During the Middle Ages in Europe, it became a fixture in monasteries, where wine production was a sacred art. Monks meticulously stored their wine barrels in large wooden wine racks, making sure the wine was always ready for sacramental use or to quench the thirst of weary travelers. With the Renaissance came a rekindled interest in all things artistic and aesthetic, and wine racks were no exception. They became intricate pieces of craftsmanship, often adorned with decorative carvings and elegant details. These beautiful creations graced the homes of the European aristocracy, showcasing their refined taste and appreciation for the finer things in life. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in the history of wine racks. Mass production techniques made them accessible to a wider audience, and soon, wine racks found their way into homes across the globe. They became a symbol of sophistication, culture, and a love for wine that transcended social boundaries. Today, we find wine racks in all shapes and sizes, from minimalist metal designs to rustic wooden wonders. They grace kitchens, dining rooms, and wine cellars, and they continue to fulfill their ancient role as guardians of the grape. No matter how simple or ornate, the wine rack remains a testament to human ingenuity and our eternal love affair with wine. So, the next time you gaze upon your carefully curated collection of wine, remember the ancient Mesopotamians and their clay creations, the Roman elite with their opulent cellars, and the monks who safeguarded their sacred vintages. The wine rack, dear friends, is not just a piece of furniture. It's a time machine that connects us with the rich tapestry of history and the enduring pleasure of savoring a fine wine. Cheers to the wine rack and the stories it holds within its elegant, bottle-filled embrace.